All right, this is Nervous Nick. I'm making some mini pizzas. I got the English muffins, and these ones were already split. English muffins, so that made it easy. Just take 6 of them. I got the pan that comes in the George Foreman. Well, I call it a George Foreman. It's just a toaster oven though. This is the pan that came in there, a little cheap pan, cooking pan. So I got some pizza sauce. Okay, and go ahead and pour the pizza sauce on there. Let it soak down in them holes in your English muffins. Let it soak down in there. Pat it down in there. Okay. Then I chopped up an onion. Chop up the onion, half an onion. I chopped up green peppers. Put them on there. Now I'm putting some black olives. Black olives. Hit the subscribe, hit like for me, and double hit the subscribe. You gotta have them arrows on top, them parenthesis things. That way you get all the news when I put a new video up. I'm trying to do 2. Oh man, come on.